10 differences between French food and American food. French food is known for being rich and flavorful. You won't find anything too spicy in a French kitchen, but you will find plenty of cream-based sauces that are delicious. American cuisine focuses more on bold flavors and hearty dishes. There's no shortage of bacon or sausage at breakfast time, while lunch might be a cheeseburger or fried chicken breast sandwich. While there are many similarities between the two cuisines, these 10 differences will give you an idea of how they differ from one another. 1. French food usually features more cream-based sauces than American food does. 2. French restaurants typically serve bread with butter before the meal begins, whereas American restaurants don't offer this as part of their service. 3. You'll find more seafood on the menu in France than you will in America. 4. French meals typically have a lot of vegetables included, whereas American dishes often see vegetables as side options or garnishes. 5. The portion sizes are different. Americans eat bigger portions and they like their fast food, while Europeans enjoy smaller. 6. Americans, on the other hand, are more inclined to have their meat well done, whereas in France they prefer it rare. 7. In France, people are more likely to eat breakfast at home rather than out of the house. Unlike in the United States, where people are more likely to eat breakfast out of their home. 8. French culture is rich with tradition and the depth that American life lacks. The French have perfected cuisine in ways we haven't yet been able to do in America, which makes for delicious meals and an unforgettable experience when you're traveling abroad or eating at one of France. 9. French bread generally has a very different taste to them than American bread does. This is because they are made with fewer preservatives, less sugar, and butter. French people also eat their baguettes for lunch rather than dinner like Americans might do. 10. French dishes are generally leaner and simpler than they are in America. French food is typically made with meats that have been cooked for a long time, vegetables that have been slow roasted or sautéed until soft, whole grains, rice and pasta rather than refined flour and pasta, cream sauces, rather than heavy butter, less salt to preserve the natural. The French have perfected cuisine in ways we haven't yet been able to do in America, which makes for delicious meals and an unforgettable experience when you're traveling abroad or eating at one of France. Thank you for watching.